lost some weight, Tony. It's been a slow day. When this happens, it's exciting. Oh, 40-pound tester. It's just a regular leader. 40-pound test leader. See something down there. I see something. What do I got? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of this barracuda. Holy cow. Holy cow. You know, they say these are good eating. I was hoping to get maybe a small one for eating. I'll fall into the small category. Woo! Look at that monster. Wow, and I got him